Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start on the watch itself. Wake it, enter your passcode, and open settings immediately. This is the only reliable path. Once done, tap General because the time format link lives there. Make sure Watch OS is updated so menu names match. If not, update via your iPhone first. You're avoiding the iPhone's clock app on purpose. Apple limits the direct method. Now scroll carefully to find date and time settings and get ready to switch formats. Now you toggle the format. In Settings, go General, then Date and Time. Once there, locate the 24-hour time switch. Tap to turn it on. You'll see times like 13:00 appear in previews. This is the only way on the watch itself. Changing the iPhone's clock won't always affect watch faces. If the toggle is disabled, check for active profiles or device management. Once the switch shows green, navigate back to the watch face and verify the change visually. Finish by verifying. You should flip through watch faces to confirm the 24-hour format appears across complications and digital faces. If one face still shows 12-hour, restart the watch. Hold the side button, choose power off, then restart. This refreshes complications. If restarting fails, unpair and repair via the watch app to reset sync, but note this is last resort. Make sure software remains updated. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.